It's a beautiful day the Lord has made, and we should be glad and rejoice in His name. I'm flamboyant lifestyle, and this be what matter come. You know, say day in and day out, no. And some baby in head and ekoso ewe we ase. Where in some ekoso no, a very very strange way you do it happen for this world inside. You know, be easy. The matter where you can be say, 58-year-old woman, you go storm church. Where in husband where you marry am no, they go marry another woman. You know be easy, brother man. The thing that happen be say the woman where you turn 58 no, where then they bell am Fatima. That be the woman in name. He say you go the church premises in there where you go talk the elders where then the church inside say your husband you marry am for 30 years. Where you know divorce am, the man no talk say you know they fail am, you know they talk anything. The man in their house, they chop food, they do everything. Where you hear people they talk for the neighborhood inside say people they do what? People they talk say in husband no, they go marry another woman. You know the issue. Where the woman need take certificate, then thing say the man need be legally what? Married to am no. Where the church people only see. But the church people do not talk anything. This thing happen for where? Uganda. It happen anyway right now. They imply everything where the man no, they marry the woman no. Then they marry the woman church premises inside no, where the woman no buck inside. You buck inside no way you can't like the way you sport things for the you know be easy. Plus in daughters where them grow, where them can the what the scene inside, they talk to them mind for there. Where the way the church need to go no, they make the security personnel where them did the church there no, then come there where they can't sack the woman no, for the what? For the church there. Where in daughters anyway you go plus them say they go storm the wedding here and no. The way now the security man they do him mom, you know, the shot they need to come say, why are you doing my mom this way? And so my mama say, I don't know my mama say, I don't know piano, my penny more or betting wo. I don't know piano sir. Where the matter ni make matter, where he what he tell the neighborhood inside, it no be easy, brother man. People they what? People they talk about it for the neighborhood inside say, the man who no do what? No force. You know say plenty marriage issues where he did this word inside no. It no be easy. That be why Jai himself they talk say, where you go do what? You go judge marriage. You be woman where you did what? You did like man take money can marry you If you be submissive to the what? To the man no. Because you don't know. You don't know. The man will be your head. The man will be your glory. So if you not submit yourself, give the man, where the man no talk one, you talk two, the man no talk three, you talk four, the man no go talk anything. If you man where you be matured where you mind belia, you no go talk you anything, but you go do set, you go show you certain behavior where you go see say this man no be interested in the what? The marriage again. It about to my fellow ladies, the married women where them do no. You people for take this thing as an advice. Where you be man to your head be God. If you God will create you will say for respect to man. So if woman they submit himself give you if you not they do your body say the woman if fool or something, they treat the woman like slave. The woman they take anything, you make up your mind say you get your own money. So anything there the way you go fit take your money do, you go fit do. You will go out and go flirting and things. Jar they what? Jar they wed you. And jar they still they watch you. They wed you and they watch you. So we love on ourselves. Because this world where we do inside now, we will not be perfect for this world inside. We get fault for our body. Every boy will go to say for some day ni no hono oboa. For some we ni na ya ho. Obi obone pena de bone na ya de ateno. Right now see what is happening. See what is happening. Maybe it be what? It be some problem be where you dey. When you check like the woman and cry, if you know the four cry now, and can you go what? You go divorce the what? The woman 30 years. The man no talk anything. Where you go with another what? Another woman. It be serious matter pa. Where are they come to the church members no? The church members no where the woman no bring the certificate can show you people say you marry him legally. Where you people who to not talk anything about him no. Where you go ahead make the man marry no. What they wrong one generation where we come. If the woman come say the woman do what? The woman come you can't talk say your husband no marry him then till show you certificate then till say they marry her. You people for they that think talk for advise the what? The man no. You people no advise the man. You go ahead make the man marry. So it be Christ way we the worship or it be what? It be something where we they want do on a life plus. all the religion where you did this word inside no. Then they talk about marriage. Marriage say we could love one ourselves. It be something where it be what important for this world inside, because God like He create marriage so that we go what we go reproduce for the world inside. This be the matter where He come with me flambo. I do my mind say I for come then can't talk to people then if I know what they happen for what Uganda there no. You go feel leave your comment. It be very very what necessary. You leave your comment for there. You go feel talk what you want what talk for there. Pepe. Then you go on a social media platform and you go feel watch one of videos. You go feel like then share. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Prayer always do what work. Pow.
Too much GH. Me did go say Japan. A break PM Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody debia. Madam I say love you.
Too much GH. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH. Me dey Isaac Odwampo, we betun afem the great ampo. Mbrenbren, wonu me nka mo ne hwe Too Much GH. Too Much GH, mo ye too much. Na me so me ye am fire.
The major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch o say, bomoden na hwe Too Much GH. On say me kan ye nyane. Bonne pa na kase epe wo wiase ya asonde asonde nti na Adam wo hu nyame yenu nyame no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade kat won na bomode na behwe Too Much GH behwe na subscribe bomode o behwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne yama papa Too
Much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you'll get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.